Today, I'll be doing an unboxing and quick review of the Konstantin Chaykin Clown 2 Audacity. The watch comes courtesy of my good friend who goes by Watch Out Singapore on Instagram. Enjoy! Overall, the Clown is a watch that is best described as fun. Initially, I was a bit reluctant to wear it, as the vibrant colors and eccentric design isn't exactly my style. But it quickly grew on me, and friends and family who saw me wearing it all loved how quirky it was. At 42mm in diameter and 13.7mm in thickness, the watch is also the perfect size for my 17.5cm wrist. It feels substantial without being overwhelming. To sum it up, I really love this rendition of the Clown with its color scheme. Yet, I'd think twice about purchasing it due to the price. Thanks in part to social media, Chaykin's watches have exploded in popularity and are now quite hard to get. This has resulted in market prices going up, with this particular model already going for over 25,000 USD a few months back. Is a watch powered by an ETA movement worth that sort of dollar? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, do consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching.